How to recover WhatsApp encrypted password? Can't remember the password of WhatsApp encrypted backup? Are you trying to restore your backup data from your Google Drive and you forgot your encrypted passwords? Here is a quick guide to recover WhatsApp encrypted password in quick way. Open or launch WhatsApp application on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and go to the settings page. Scroll, open chats. Now tap on Chat Backup and tap into an encrypted backup. Tap Turn Off button and here you will get the link. As I forgot my password, tap on it. Now you have to verify your identity by entering your password. By entering your mobile device password, you can easily tap Turn Off and now tap Done button. Once done, you can go to Enter an encrypted backup option and tap Turn On button and create a new password. In this way, you can easily reset encrypted password on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell if you haven't yet for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.